Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Eagle Creek cargo hauler 130 liter wheeled duffel bag that comes with backpack straps, wheels on the bottom, these wheels, and has 130 liters, which is amazing. I wanted to have something for my vacation that is not like a suitcase. A suitcase? Is that the right word? Not sure. That I can only roll. I wanted those backpack straps so bad. And I came across the Eagle Creek cargo hauler and I was amazed. And I got it. So here it is. Me opening it. Whoop. A little info here on the bottom. Eagle Creek, I think, is an amazing company. So this is gonna be tough with one hand, but I'll try my best. Here we go. We can already see the wheels, and they have plasticky and rubbery feel, like a little bit of rubbery, but not really. And they roll meh. Not the best wheel, but you know. Whoa, and off we go. So, it already opens like this. Whoa, it comes in a very interesting black, almost like latex is the right pronunciation. It comes size-wise, I'm not so sure yet. I have to try to put some things in, but it probably should be big enough for me. Yeah, there we go. And you have these straps here. Let's undo all those 4 straps. And the last one. And there should be a zipper. Oh, look at this. Look at those zippers. Not sure what company they're made. Doesn't say anything on them, sadly, but you can put them together and have like a lock on there, which is very useful. So yeah, I'm trying to open it. Almost there, a little bit more. But before we get into the main compartment, we're gonna have a look at the side compartment, which is on the front side, so where you're actually be holding the bag. You have this compartment, which seems to be like waterproof in a way. The zippers are covered, but you know, not sure what company that is for zippers, but they feel like quality. And this is the compartment. We have a little, what should I call this? I don't know. Just a little compartment to put stuff. Okay. Oh no, that stretches out when we put things into the bag. And then here on the side, a little mesh. The color, yeah, I would say it's alright. Maybe a gray would have been nicer, but you know, that's just my opinion. And this thing here is pretty spacious. The light is not amazing, but you can probably fit a pair of shoes for sure in here. Maybe if they get wet. Oh, this zipper feels great. Oh, this zipper feels great inside here. The color inside here is black again. Like a different kind of black, but more like a lighter black. Anyway, and then on this side, we have a zipper as well right next here. And this is where you can store your let's go. Your backpack straps. They usually go. I'm gonna show you that right now. They usually go like to this thing here, and on this side to, where is it? Well, probably bottom here. To this one. Well, to this one. And you can put them together and leave them here, or you can just put them inside if you don't want them at all. I think you can have this as checked luggage even with those outside, because you have this little thing that holds them together so they don't just like fly around, so they're actually stored in here and can't fly around. But yeah, all right, let's get to the main compartment. I'm very, very curious. Let's open it up. The zipper is all the way, and then wow, I'm very, very happy that I bought this. It looks quite big. Probably not as big as like a huge suitcase, but this will have like everything. I can store everything here, honestly. So one thing that I see right there is another zipper. I think inside here we don't have another zipper anywhere, which is fine because I'm gonna use compression cubes and stuff like this. But yeah, but I see a zipper down there, all the way down here, that I'm not sure how I'm gonna access, maybe from the bottom side. So let's have a look at, probably not. So we have the wheels here, one wheel and the other. Yeah, I think they're fine. They look pretty durable, but probably not the best wheels in the world, which they don't have to be, because usually I wear them. What could that be? Is that, let's see, I'm gonna open it here. I can't even see because it's like kind of a stupid situation. Let's turn it around so you can see it a little better. Alright, it's a bit bad because there's nothing in here, but basically down here you get to the wheels. Maybe this is for fixing it. Probably I'm just gonna close it and not put anything in there. But yeah, that is the... Also, one thing I forgot to say, on the sides you have these things to hold, and you have called daisy chains, I think, which is amazing. So anyway, let me turn that around so I can read it again. So this was the Eagle Creek cargo hauler, 130 liter. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please consider subscribing to this channel and leaving a like. I hope you enjoyed. See you another time. Bye bye.